Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching another episode of Ask Charlie. Nandito tayo sa SM North EDSA at nandito po tayo sa yoga. Okay, hindi tayo mag-yoga dito kundi ito po isang brand ng Lenovo. And for those who don't know, Lenovo makes computers, desktops, laptops, etc. And they also make phones actually. So we're here to check out the prices ng kanilang mga yoga laptops. Okay. So may special store sila dito sa SM North EDSA. So let's check out the prices. Okay, let's check out yung this one, Lenovo na entry level IdeaPad Slim. So we have 4 variants dito sa screen. We have the 19,999, 8GB RAM, at saka 512 na storage, Intel Celeron. And we have another version na 26,995. Ang chipset niya AMD Ryzen 3, 8GB RAM, at saka 512 na storage. Okay, by the way, this store is managed and owned by Billman Computers. So yung mga thunders dyan, katulad ko, lumaki ng pag-a-assemble ng computers, kilala nyo po ang Billman. Before the 90s pa sila, pero nakilala ko sila during the 1990s. Meron pa silang office dati sa West Avenue, pero ngayon lumipat na sila sa mas malaking opisina. Saan po yung head office nila ngayon? Pag-asa. So meron na silang bagong building doon, bagong luma, mas malaki na kaysa dati yung panahon ko. So okay, let's continue. So meron sila ditong dito tayo sa susunod na price na 26 din. Pareho ba to? I think pareho sila. No, iba yung model. IdeaPad Slim 115A AMN7 versus dito, iba naman yung model. So this one is AMD Ryzen 3 din, 8 RAM, 512 storage, HD camera, 26,995. And this one in Intel Core i5, 16GB. Ito po yung model number niya. So i5 ba to? i5. So 16GB RAM, 512 na storage. Tapos camera niya 720. So more or less ganito itsura ng entry level nila. May connectors pa ba dito? Yes, may mga hindi makita dito, pero ito SD, tapos USB, tapos dito meron silang other connectors din, isa HDMI, at mukhang Type-C yung isa. It's power plug. So this is their entry level ng Lenovo. Inside, of course, may version sila ng AMD. Okay, nandito naman tayo sa mga laptop na pang-gaming ng Lenovo. Simulan natin dito sa right side. Ito po yung itsura. This one na naka-display, may NVIDIA GeForce, nice, RTX, tas AMD Ryzen. Okay, may keypad sa right. Okay. Mousepad. check out natin what would be the cheapest here. 88,995. Legion 5 1.5 IRX10. Okay. Check nyo na lang yung mga codes dito. Snapchat nila. So we got an iCore i7, Intel Core 7 i7. Okay. And then we have 16 GB slot. Okay. Up to 36. Pag sinabi yung 1X na to, isa lang ang slot niya?
Isa lang nakalagay sir. So, ibig sabihin, sa isang slot niya, dalawa yan. Ay, 16 siya. Pero kung gusto mo pang mag-add, meron pa siya isang slot.
So may isa pang free na slot. Okay. Meron pa, yung mga ganito ba, may expansion pa for the storage?
Yes sir, bali lahat ng gaming laptop namin sir is mga capable for dual drive.
Okay. Tumatanggap pa ba yung iba ng hard disk drive?
Wala na.
Wala na. Puro ng SSD na lang.
NVMe na lang.
Okay. So, mabuti na clear natin yun. So, this one costs 88,995. Our next one is Legion 516 IRX9. So, Intel Core i7, 16 GB. Pwede ka pa magdagdag. 512. Pwede ka pa rin magdagdag ng storage, camera, tapos NVIDIA GeForce, no? Yung isa din, GeForce din. Nice. Talagang pang gaming. Ilang ano to? 8 GB. Ito. 8 GB din. Very good. Next one is yung 93,995 at Legion 5 115 IRX10. Okay. Eclipse Black. iCore i7. Nice. Tapos ganoon din. 16 GB RAM, 512 storage. GeForce 8 GB. 93,995 at may payment terms sila din. Para yata sa credit card. Okay, and this one is Eclipse Black. At Legion 5 15 AHP10. AMD naman ang kanyang chipset. 24 GB. Wow, RAM. Mataas ah. 512. So, expandable din to. And then, may NVIDIA GeForce 8 GB. So, yan. 104,995. With payment terms. 0 interest. 12 months. So, lahat sila mayroon 12 months. 0 interest. May particular credit card lang kayong...
Any local cards. Any local cards lang.
Local?
Yes.
Local card. Then, for example?
BPI, video.
Okay.
Sino ba? Lahat sir. Basta
Visa, Mastercard. Okay. Huwag lang yun international. So, pag may foreigner na pumunta dito, bumili dito at...
Straight lang.
Straight what?
Payment.
Pero pwede pa rin gamitin yung credit card. Straight payment lang. Walang hulugan. For local lang. Okay. Salamat po. Ito may ilaw to sa ilalim, no?
Yes, sir.
Sa ilalim. Lahat na ba may ilaw sa ilalim? O meron din wala? Lahat na? Pati yung entry level? Wala.
i3 pababa.
i3 pababa. i5 tataas. At saka Ryzen 5? O di lahat. Okay. So, let's go to the next one. What do we have here? So, GeForce. Okay, let's see. So this one 40, this one 44, and this one 61. So this one is LOQ Gaming 15 IAX9 E. Okay. So, i-Core, Core i5, 8GB RAM, 512 storage, with NVIDIA GeForce, pero ano lang, 6GB. Okay. So, SRP 44, cash 40. So, yung mga gusto mag-cash dyan, mas makakatipid kayo ng almost 5,000. Ang susunod natin yung 44,000. Meron din cash and SRP. So this one is gaming 15 IAX 9E, Intel Core i5, 16GB RAM, expandable, 512 storage, expandable, NVIDIA 6GB. Okay. Ang next naman natin, 61,499 pag cash, at SRP 66,995. So this one is yung 15 IX9E i7, 12GB, ba't mababa? Expandable, tapos expandable storage, NVIDIA GeForce 6GB. Okay. So ito yung tsura lang yun, more or less. We have yung mga connectors dito, IOs, outs. Type-C yun, isa. Yung isa USB, yung isa HDMI. At meron pa rin LAN connector. I think this is the one. LAN connector. At meron ka pa rin headset. Sa kabila naman, ito, SD card na to. Tapos ito, another connector. USB. Kuya, ano tong malaking slot na manipis na to? SD card ba yan?
Opo, SD card reader po.
Ganyan pa rin, yung malaki? Okay. Buhay pa. Kasi may ano na eh, Type-C na eh. So, usually, doon na yung mga old school ah. Okay. Next one, we have the Lenovo 15 ARP9 Ryzen. Ito yung tsura pala. This one naka-display Ryzen 7 with GeForce. So let's start from the upper left. 55,999 Ryzen 7, 12GB RAM, 512 storage, GeForce na 6GB. This one is 67,995. Hindi ko napabanggit yung mga model. Okay, basahin nyo na lang o snapshot nyo. This one may i5, tapos 12GB RAM, 512 storage. Yung GeForce NVIDIA niya is 8GB. Okay, that's good. Okay. Next naman tong 53,499. Ito po yung model name niya. Okay, i5, 6GB, 512 storage, and NVIDIA 6GB. Nice. Ito naman LOQ Gaming, Luna Gray, AMD Ryzen 7, 16GB RAM, 512 storage, at ang kanyang GeForce is 8GB. So 70,000, may mga SRP sila plus cash discount. Okay, ito din, ito naman may hulugan kung model na to. Ito cash, nag-cash ka, malaking discount. May mga 5,000 discount. And this one, mga meron din, almost 5,000 discount for this model. So this is the physical look ng laptop. Yan ng connectors dito sa kaliwa. Ito, wala. Isa lang, C at saka USB. O baka sa likod yun. So, ayun. Nasa likod. Ayun. Todo. Meron kang okay na yan. So ito exhaust fan, exhaust. So meron kang LAN connector, HDMI, tapos puro USB na ba yun iba? Tatlong USB?
Tapos sa charger yung isa na.
Charger. Okay. So yun. Etong naka-display na to, ano to?
Yung pinaka-specific model na siya.
That one. So yung naka-display, ito po yun. In case interested kayo, meron silang SRP and cash discount.
Actually, lahat yun sir, makakakali. Ganito na yung tsura lahat yun. Magkakaiba na ng processor.
Yung loob. Luna Gray lahat. Pad ka dyan, may ilaw sa ilalim, pag sa dilim. Susunod naman natin ang mid level, mid price. Okay, dito naman tayo sa productivity side, mid range prices. Let's see, start here from the right side. Okay, gray pa rin siya. Tapos, let's check out the prices. Okay. This one is Lenovo Yoga 6 AMD Ryzen 55,995 with 12 months 0 interest payment if you want. As they mentioned, local credit card only. International, you have to pay the whole thing. Okay. No installment for international cards, only local credit cards. AMD Ryzen 5, 8GB RAM, 512 storage, and basically that's it. No? Pang office lang, no? Dito gaming, so don't expect na meron kang RTX na Nvidia or anything similar. So this one is Lenovo IDEA 5 Pad Flex 5. So AMD Ryzen 5 16GB 512. 49,995. Meron din 12 months na hulugan. Okay, this one is Yoga Slim Intel Core 5 16GB plus 512 na storage. 59,995, 12 months available. Payment terms. Local credit card. This one is 60,995, 12 months, 0 interest. Yoga Slim 7i, Intel Core Ultra 5, 16GB RAM at 1TB SSD. Nice. Of course, its price is 60,995. So, more or less ganito itsura lang yun. I don't think na meron itong ilaw sa ilalim. Ang office lang. So, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-type sa dilim. Okay. Type-C naman. Power button. Tapos USB port. This is the Yoga Slim 7. Okay, this is the one. The price 59,999. Yung naka-display today here sa Yoga showroom ng Billman Computers. Okay, next one. Next one, we have Lenovo Slim 5 Lite. So, AMD Ryzen 7, 16GB, 1TB, 54,995. And we have naman dito IdeaPad Slim 5X Snapdragon. Okay, ito na yung gusto ko makita, Snapdragon 10 or X, 32GB soldered, tapos 512 SSD. And this one, ito yung price niya, 47,995. And another one is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5X Snapdragon X naman, 16GB RAM, 512 storage, 67,995 with 12-month payment terms for local credit cards. This one is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i, Intel Core i5, 16GB RAM, 512 storage. Ang presyo niya po ay 53,995 with 12 months na hulugan. Kung gusto nyo mag-credit card using your local credit card. Okay, so, ito po itsura niya, cloud gray again. I think ito yung IdeaPad Slim. So, ang IdeaPad Slim dito is this one, 54,000. Baka ito yun. If not, ito. But I think this one, Slim 5. Ito yun, naka-display. So, ito po yung iOS niya. Sa gilid, meron pa din. Dalawang USB, SD card, and the power button. Okay, our next one naman is ito. This one naka-display Ryzen, no? IdeaPad Slim 3, 15 inches. Gray din. So let's check yung prices. So this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i, Intel Core i5, 16GB RAM, and 1TB. Wow, 1TB storage, 57,995. Meron din hulugan sa credit card. This one is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim, AMD Ryzen 5, 8GB RAM, at saka 512 na storage. And we also have yung Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, AMD Ryzen 5, 8GB RAM, at saka 512 na storage. It's worth 29,995. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, AMD Ryzen 7, 16GB, 512, 35,995 with 12 months payment terms for local credit card. So this one, IdeaPad Slim 3. So I guess either dito, ano ba siya? AMD. Ano naman ah? $7,000 series. So ito yun, naka-display, 30,990. Tapos may SRP siya, 33,995. So makakatipid ka ng mga 2,000 or 3,000, yeah, mga 3,000 pesos. So ito po yung itsura niya. No lights underneath the keypads. Ito po yung mga connectors niya. Tayo sa kabila. So, jump naman tayo dito sa pinaka-premium ano nila, models ng Lenovo Yoga. So, ito yung punta natin dito sa Lenovo Yoga. So, ito yung isa sa mga Yoga. So, may selection ng Intel Core 7, tsaka 9, at tsaka 8. Okay. So, pero Intel Core na naka-display ngayon Ultra 5. So, ito yon naka-display. Lenovo Yoga 7i Ultra 5, 16GB, 1TB storage. It's worth 79,995 na mayroon installment. Local credit card. Okay, local credit card only. And another one is 86,995. Lenovo Yoga Slim, Intel Core Ultra 7, 32GB, 1TB, 86,995. The other one is Yoga 7 2-in-1. So Intel Core Ultra 7, 32GB RAM, 1TB storage. Motion speaker. This one is Lenovo Yoga Slim 9, Intel Core Ultra 7, 32GB RAM, 1TB storage. So 1080p na yung kanyang Full HD sa camera. Price is 130 with 12 months installment, 0 interest, local credit card only. So ito yung tsura niya. So we have here the most expensive one. It's worth 145,995 with 12 months installment using a local credit card. And this is the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i 14IA H10. Okay. And kanyang CPU is chipset is Intel Core Ultra 9. Okay. So 32GB, 1TB, and other stuff. 145,995. So ito lang yung keypad niya. So, dual monitor. Fold ba ito? Okay. Kasi fold. Okay, nagpo-fold po siya for those interested. So yun, nagpo-fold siya. Pwede mo siyang ibalot, lagay sa bagahe mo, and you know, compute anytime. So C ano siya, C connectors.